Hello guys, today I have received my Amazon pen tab from Amazon. Let us unbox for this is for teaching. For I will use this pen tab next lectures because last lectures I have not done the well. Let us move it first and open it. Move it cover. This is my first unboxings pen tab, and for first time I have used pen tab. For this is from Wacom, Wacom brand, and this is my first pen tab, which is using for teaching. Let us unboxing. Let us open. Let us open this. Mm. Hello guys, today I have introduced my first pen tab, which is today delivered on from Amazon's, and which is used in teaching. Let us move on for opening packaging, unboxing this pen tab, which is provided by uh, Wacom. This 10 inches. First time I am using for teaching. Last video was not good for teaching, which was uploaded by me today. So I have decided to order my pen tab for teaching for students, and this is the charger which is provided by, and this is why I don't know, this is the pin. uh, oh, Move on my first pen tab. This is my pen tab, first time I'm using for teaching, and let us move on, open this. Open. Let us move on. You have this one brand, Wamcom, 10 inches. Okay, let us move. Which is used for teaching. This pen tab is very useful for teaching, and I am not um, advertising any brand. I am only for this is the best under 6,000. I am not opening how this open. 1 minute, 1 minute. Where is my pen? Pen. This is where is the pen? Where is pen? Um, there is no pen.